Shaanxi Zhongtuo Mine Equipment Co. L. was located in the ancient. The company focuses on the production and development of intelligent equipment. The research and development results of 20 invention patents, some of which have completed intelligent, automated upgrading and transformation. The products are used in bridge construction, tunnel and subway construction, mining, and hydropower new energy projects. Provide one-stop procurement services for the use of design solutions, exquisite craftsmanship and a rigorous inspection process. Ensure the smooth progress of the project. The company has got ISO 9001 CE and SGS, and was rated as 315 Integrity Enterprise, Contract Honoring and Promise-Keeping Enterprise. With the corporate philosophy of survival by quality, development by technology, efficiency by management, and credibility by service. Loyalty is willing to become your most reliable long-term partner. Corporate vision: strive to build a modern, well-known enterprise with international competitiveness and sustainable vitality. The company's mining equipment, rock splitting and rock drilling equipment, and bridge pre-stressing equipment are exported to Australia, Russia, India, Turkey, Syria, Vietnam, Iran, and other countries. Core values: establish people with integrity, establish a business with innovation, and establish a brand with a market. Operating conduct: understand the market, adapt to the market, create the market, and lead the market.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.